This video for math practice quiz part 2 from question 11 to question 20. Okay, so we'll start with question 11. What temperature is this thermometer showing? Okay, this is a thermometer and showing. It's very simple now. As you see here, it's showing the reading at this point. So let's calculate. So it's minus 10. So this will be minus 11 minus 12. So the temperature is minus 12. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, question number 12. Question number 12 here is saying, here is some information about the standard circulating coinage of United Kingdom. And he's mentioned some coins here of United Kingdom and mentioning the diameter, thickness, and weight. Okay, this is the coin, this is the diameter, and the thickness will be this one. So let's see what the question is asking for. Here say, click on the thickest coin. So once we hear this term, so we'll go to see the thickness of the coins from this part, from this table. Okay, so let's see which one is more thickness than the other. So here the thickness is 1.65, 2.03, 1.89, 2.05, here 1.7, 1.78, 2.8, 2.5. So from here we can see that 2.8 is the thickness coin, which is 1 pound. This is the right answer. So this one is the thickness coin. Okay. Question number 13 is giving the same example, but he's asking for a different thing, which is how much does the heaviest coin weight? Heaviest coin weight. So that means we will go for this column, the weight. So let's see which is the heaviest coin here. So this is 3.56, 7.12, 3.25, 6.5, 5, 8, 8.75, and 12. So this is the right answer. 2 pounds is the most heaviest weight of the coin. So the answer would be how much does it weigh? It's 12 grams. Okay. So question number 14. Okay, question number 14 is saying A is the point minus 3, 2. Okay, B is the point 3, 1. C is the point minus 4, minus 4. Okay, the point minus 3, that means this is the x, 2 is the y, and B is the point of 3 and 1. So 3 is the x, 1 is the y. C is the point of minus 4, minus 4. This is the x and this is the y. Okay, so let's see the figure 1. Point A is mentioned minus 3 and 2. So that means x is minus 3. So x minus 3, 1, 2, 3. A is not here. That means this is not the right figure. Okay, let's see the second figure. Let's say minus 3. So 1, 2, 3, minus 3. Okay, and 2. Okay, this is right. Okay, so let's move to the another point. B is 3 and 1. So 3 and 1, this is right. Let's go for C. C, it's mentioned minus 4, minus 4. So that means minus 4, if I'm going to minus 4, it will be here, minus 4 will be here. So C is wrong. That means this figure is wrong. Okay, this figure is also wrong because point A is not here. Point 1 in a different location. Here, okay, let's see. This is minus 3 and 2, so A is right. For B, it's saying 3 and 1. B, 3, it's here. B is here, so it's wrong. This one, A is minus 3 and 2, right point. B is 3, so 1, 2, 3, okay. And Y is 1, Y is 1, so this is right also. And C is minus 4 and minus 4, this is minus 4, this is minus 4, X, 2 minus 4, and minus 4 here, so C, it's here, so this is the right figure. Okay, last figure here, you see this point A is wrong, so this is not the right figure. Okay, now, question number B. Point D is plotted to make ABCD is a rectangle. This question came many times, this question. Okay, what are the coordinates of D? So where is the right figure? This one. So he's saying here ABCD is a rectangle. So that means we write a rectangle here. Draw a rectangle. That means this rectangle like this one. Okay. And this is C. Okay. That means we'll draw the same rectangle here. Means it will be like this one. So write the same thing here. Okay. So this is the right rectangle because I took the same length here, put it here, same length, and same width here and here. So give me a point here. And this point, this point here will be 2 and 5. 2 and minus 5. So here, 1, 2, and minus 5. So the point here would be 2 minus 5. Okay? Now, question number 15. Saying here, consider the data below. Okay, it's giving me some numbers, and here say what is the median, and the other question is what is the mode. Median means the middle value of a set of numbers, where to see which is the middle value. So I have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. There is a 15 number. It's odd numbers. So I will choose 15. That means I choose the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if this number is the 8th number, so after this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and before this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so the number is 155. Okay? Okay, here what is the mode? The mode is the number that appears the most frequently here. For example, let's say we want to know how many, let's see how many number shown many times here. For example, 137, 137, it's shown 2 times. There is nothing here. Okay, 140, is there any 140? No. 142, 1, 2 times. Okay, 150, it's not showing. 155, it's shown 1, 2, only 2 times. 156, 1, 2, 3, these are 3 times. 158, 2 times. 190, only 1 time. 160, 1 time. So I will choose the number which shown more here. It's 1, 2, 3. So the number would be 156. Okay. So let's see question number 16. Okay, question number 16 is saying IJK is a triangle. Okay, IJK is a triangle. Okay, GL is a straight line and GL is a straight line. Okay. Question number 8 saying find Y. So we want to know the measurement of this angle. Okay, so he mentioned here that GK is a straight line. Okay, so what is the measurement of the measurement angle for a straight line? I mentioned before, if I have a straight line and this is the end point, so the measurement of this angle is for the straight line is 180. Okay, the same thing here. This is a straight line, so all this angle, measurement of this angle is 180 from this end point. Okay, and here this value is 78. So we need to get this value. So that means that angle Y will be equal to 180 minus measurement, this is measurement of angle IKJ, IKJ, IKJ. So that means 180 minus the measurement of IKJ is 78. So 78, right? So 78, that means that this, if we subtract this one, so it will be 102 degree. So the value here of this angle is 102. Okay, so the answer here 102. Okay, now it's saying the triangle IJK, IJK is isosceles. Isosceles, it means that I have two sides of the angle are equal. And here is saying the dashes show the two equal sides. So this side is equal to this side. Find x. Okay, the isosceles, the triangle, when I say it's isosceles, that means I have two sides of the angle are equal. If the two sides of the angle, of the length are equal, that means the corresponding angle will be also equal. So this angle 1 and angle 2, that means angle 1 equal to angle 2. Okay, so that means I have this side is equal to this side because it mentioned it's isosceles. So that means this angle will be equal to this angle. So that means, so now to get this both angle, that means that, okay, angle IJK, IJK plus angle KIJ, KIJ plus angle IJK. So angle IJK. These three angles of a triangle both will equal to 180 because the angles of any triangle, the summation will be 180. Okay, so let's see here. Angle JKJ, sorry, it will be here IKJ, sorry, this is IKJ, IKJ is equal to 78 plus KIJ, KIJ, KIJ is equal to X plus IJK supposed to be the same. They are equal, so it means plus X also because we mentioned that this angle will be equal to this angle, so this X and this will be X also will equal to 180. So let's simplify this equation. So that means I have 78 plus 2x equal 180. We'll move this here, so that means I will make minus 78 and here minus 78. So this one will go this one to 2x equal to 102. So to remove 2, divide by 2, divide by 2, this one will be this one. So x will be equal to 51. So the angle here will be 51. So this one will be 51 and this one 51. If I calculate angle I plus angle J plus angle K, it will equal to 180. Okay, so let's move to question number 17. Okay, question number 17 says there are 15 girls in the music club. So that means I have 15 girls. Okay, the ratio of girls to boys is 3 to 7. So here, girls to boys is 3 to 7. Okay, how many boys are there? How many boys are there? Okay, here it's mentioned 3 to 7, and the number of girls are 15. So that means 15 divide 3, it will be equal to 5. So that means if I multiply 3 by 5, it gives me 15 girls, right? So the same thing I will do it with the boys. So 7 multiply 5 equal to 35. So that means I have 35 boys. Okay? Again, I have the ratio is 3 to 7. And they mentioned we have 15 girls. So here it's x. So to get 3, if I multiply it by 5, I will get 15. So in the same here, I will multiply by 5, so I get 35. Okay? Very simple. Now, the number of boys and girls in the music club both double. That means if I have here 15 to 35, if I double them, so it will be 30 to 70, right? What is the ratio of girls to boys? We say here reduce your answer to its lowest terms. So that means by 10 will be 0, by 10 will be 0, so it will be also 3 over size to 7. 3 to 7. Okay? Now, question number 18. Question number 18 says here are 28 people in the drama club. So I have 28 people. The ratio of girls to boys is 2 to 5. Okay? How many girls and how many boys are there? So if you see here, I have 7. The ratio here, 2 plus 5, so I have 7. So if I divide 7 by 28, if I have 28 by 7, I will get 4. So that means 28 by 7 equal to 4. So that means then I will multiply 2 by 4, I will get 8. And here also by 4, I will get 20. So the ratio girls to the boys, it's 8 to 20. You got what I mean? That means if I have the total number, okay, and I have the ratio, I will sum the ratio, which is 2 plus 5 equals 7. Then I will divide the total number here with by 28. So it will be 28, 2 plus 5, okay, equal to 28 by 7. So it will be 4. So that means this value, I will multiply it by 2. It will give me the number of girls. I will multiply it by 4 by 5. I will get the boys. Okay? Okay. Question number 19. In a survey, 180 students were asked what their favorite fruit snack was. The results will be shown as a pie chart. Pie chart will be like a circle, and I have a center here. Okay? So now, question A. Complete the table below to show the pie chart angle for watermelon. So I have fruit, strawberry, banana, orange, and watermelon, and they have the angle measure except watermelon, and that's what we need to get. So let's take the strawberry. Number of students is 26 and angle measure is 52. So let's draw it here in the pie chart. Say that this is the angle of 52. This is for strawberry. Let's do it with S. Now for the banana, let's say 66. So this is the banana. The angle is 66. And the orange, number series is 45 and the angle measurement is 90. So to make it 90, we'll add like this. This is 90. This is for orange. And the watermelon is missing. So that means this angle is for watermelon. So now, the angle through the center of a circle, the measurement of this angle is 360. So to get the watermelon angle means I will subtract the three angles from 360. I will get the angle of watermelon. So let's do it together now. So I will say angle of watermelon equal 360. This is the angle of the circle in the center minus angle of strawberry minus angle of the banana minus angle of the orange. So 360 minus angle of the strawberry is 52 minus the angle of banana is 66 minus the angle of the orange is 90. So let's do the calculation. We'll say 360 minus 52 minus 66 minus 90. So the answer will be 152 degree. Okay? So that means the answer here is 152. Okay, question number B. Which of these pie chart shows the survey results? So we already draw the pie chart here. So let's see. Now let's take the first one. Okay, it says the orange here, it's 90. Okay. And the watermelon is not obtuse angle, right? It's acute angle. So this is not the right answer because the angle of watermelon is 152. This is obtuse angle. Now, chart, the pie chart, this one. Okay, watermelon, it's okay, obtuse angle, but the orange is not a right angle. So this also is not correct. So let's see the third one. Okay, the watermelon is obtuse angle, which because it's 152. The orange is right angle. Okay, and banana and strawberry are acute angle, so this is the right answer. Okay, for the fourth pie chart here, if I see that the watermelon, okay, is obtuse angle, orange is 90, okay, but strawberry here is say 52, the angle is 52, and the banana is 66. That means the angle of the banana is bigger than angle of the strawberry, but here the angle of the banana shows that it's less than the angle of the strawberry. That means this pie chart is wrong. So this is the right answer. Okay, so let's move to question number 20. Okay, question number 20 say here are some patterns made from sticks. I have pattern 1, pattern 2, and pattern 3. Okay, complete this table. Now they have the patterns, which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and number of sticks. For pattern 1, it is 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, for 2, let's see how many sticks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7. Okay, for pattern 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 10. Now for pattern 4 and pattern 5, it's not there. But here, to get these numbers, let's see the other numbers here. For example, from pattern 1 to pattern 2, okay, the number of sticks increased by 3, right? 4 plus 3 equal to 7. From pattern 2 and pattern 3, the sticks increased also by 3. 7 plus 3 is 10. So that means that the other pattern from 3 to 4, it will increase by 3. So this will be 13. And the next one, if with 3, so it will be 16. So this is the answer of question A. Okay, now if you can see, this is a linear expression. So it contains about y will be equal a plus bx. Okay, this is a linear equation. Okay, for a, the a represent a number when x equal to 0. This a is the value of initial condition when x is equal to 0. B represent the change in the value when x change by 1. That means when, for example, if they say that pattern is x and the number of sticks is y. Okay? So here the pattern, which is x, is changed by 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? It's changing by 1. Okay, so y, what's happening to y? It's changing by 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, plus 3, right? So that means b will be equal to 3. That means y will equal a plus 3x. Okay? That means let's take the first result, for example. Let's substitute x by 1 and y by 4. So if I say here y, which is 4, will be equal a plus 3 multiply 1. So that means that 4 will be equal a plus 3. So to get a, we say minus 3 here and minus 3 here. So a will be equal to 1. So that means the equation will be y equal to 3x plus 1. So this table represents this equation. So let's try to validate this equation. So let's take the first pattern here. Y equal to 1, x equal to 1, y equal to 4. So we'll substitute here and see if the equation is right. So if I substitute x by 1, so y will be 4, right? So when x equal to 1, so y will be equal 3 multiply 1 plus 1. So 3 multiply 1 is 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So that means this is correct equation. Let's take the second result here. Let's substitute x by 2 in the same equation. So y will be equal 3 multiply 2 plus 1. 3 multiply 2 is 6 plus 1 will be equal 7, and this is y will be equal 7. Let's take the third result here. Let's substitute x by 3. So y will be equal 3 multiply 3 plus 1. 3 multiply 3 is 9 plus 1 will be equal 10, which is, this is y. That means this equation is the right equation for this table. Now let's go to question number B. How many sticks would be there in pattern number 10? So he's saying here pattern number 10. How many sticks would be there? So that means he's telling you that x would be equal to 10. Okay, so let's substitute in this equation. So we'll say that y will be equal 3 multiply 10 plus 1. So 3 multiply 10 is 30 plus 1 will be equal to 31. So the answer for this question is 31. Here, number C is saying what pattern number? So he's asking for the pattern. So he wants to know x would have 100 sticks. So now he's giving you y. and you need x. So let's substitute in the equation. The equation say y equal 3x plus 1. So now y is 100 equal 3x 9 plus 1. Okay, to get rid from this one, so I say minus 1 and 100 here minus 1. So 99 will be equal to 3x because this one will go with this one. So divide by 3, divide by 3, so x will be equal to 33. So the answer is 33. Okay, so this is the end of the video for part 2. We'll see you in part 3.